welcome to our channel. In a lively town, there was a small bakery known as Mohan's Sweets and Treats. It wasn't fancy, but it was famous for the tastiest sweets around. Mohan, the bakery owner, was an old man with a warm smile and a heart full of kindness. His customers adored his sweets, especially his special laddoos. Rumor had it that his laddoos were so delicious because he used a secret ingredient no one else knew. One day, a young man named Arun arrived in town. He was determined to start his own bakery and had heard about Mohan's legendary laddoos. If I can learn his secret, my shop will be a success, he thought. So, Arun came up with a plan. Every morning he would visit Mohan's bakery, pretending to be just another friendly customer. He'd chat with Mohan, watch him work, and offer to help clean up, hoping to discover the secret ingredient. Arun became like family to Mohan, and the two grew close. But each time Arun tried to find out the secret, Mohan would laugh and say, "All in good time, my friend." Months passed, and Arun was getting impatient. He still had no idea what made the laddu so special. Then, one day, he noticed a small jar hidden at the back of a shelf, labeled simply, "Magic." Arun's heart raced. This must be it, he thought. After the bakery closed, he carefully took a tiny pinch of the magic ingredient and hurried home to test it in his own recipe. The next morning, he eagerly tasted his laddoos, but something was missing. They weren't as rich, as warm, or as satisfying as Mohan's. Frustrated, he decided to confront Mohan. When Arun arrived, he found Mohan already preparing for the day. Mohan smiled knowingly and said, "You found the jar, didn't you?" Arun nodded, embarrassed. "I thought it was the secret ingredient, but my laddoos still didn't taste like yours." Mohan chuckled and put his arm around Arun. "The magic isn't what you think. It's not in a jar. It's in the way you make the sweets, with patience, kindness, and care. When you put your heart into something, it shows. That's the real secret." Arun was stunned. He realized that all these months, he had been chasing a shortcut instead of learning from the process. Inspired, he stayed on to learn from Mohan, focusing on every step, every detail. And when he finally opened his own bakery, he made laddoos that had his own unique taste, full of the care he'd learned from Mohan. The story beautifully illustrates that true success isn't about uncovering shortcuts or hidden secrets. It's about embracing the process with dedication, patience, and a genuine passion for your work. Arun's initial pursuit of Mohan's secret ingredient reflects how many of us chase quick fixes for success. However, through his journey, Arun learns that Mohan's magic wasn't in a jar, but in his approach, pouring his heart into every laddu he made. This moral highlights that success isn't just about results. It's about the care, effort, and authenticity you invest in your craft. Arun's transformation, from seeking a shortcut to learning the value of hard work and love for the process, reminds us that the true magic lies within ourselves and the way we approach what we do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating and exciting stories.